Hi, I'm Stephen Webster and I'd like to welcome you to 11 Cottonwood Place in O'Connor. This recently updated 3-bedroom home is perfectly located at the front of an over 55s community estate, looking over a beautiful park, and it's in your own secluded private pocket of O'Connor. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 11 Cottonwood Place in O'Connor. As you can see, this is going to be a beautiful place to retire to, or even help Mum and Dad get there as well. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.